6 na taon na silang magkakasama as dance partners at sa bawat ikot at humpas ng kanilang paa, kitang-kita how they completely trust each other pagdating sa dance floor, katulad namin ni Luluboy. Yes. Sina Leonil Enopia and Elizabeth Dazo. Watch this.
Tumataas rin po yung belief nila sa amin na kayang-kaya namin yun kasi unique yung talent namin na ipapakita dito. Hindi mawawala yung prayers na nananangin talaga kami po na makapasok kami sa finals.
Ibibigay na po namin yung tulong-tulong.
Parang finals na rin po yung touring namin sa semi-finals. In every ways po, kung meron tayong talent, huwag tayong mahiya na ipakita ito sa buong mundo. Basta magtiwala na tayo sa sarili at sa panonood po, wala pong imposible na.
At ito po yung naalala po namin sa mga taong sumusuporta sa amin.
Let's do some dancing together with the pride of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Neil and Beth.
Took a job in the city, working for a man every night and day, and I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way they might have been. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, singing them louder. Say it one more time. Rolling on the river. Left a good job in the city. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep. Worried about the way we might have been. Said we'll keep on trying. I'll keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Oh yeah. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Let me see y'all put your hands together. Come on. When it comes down to the river, don't have to worry. You ain't got no money. People in the river.
Neil and Beth! Wow! Wow! And backward goes well! Oh my goodness! Napaka-emosyonal nito! That is what you call dancing! Yan ang pangarap ko, Lulukoy! Wow! Lord! Grabe! Okay, sandali, bago ang lahat. Ito, tanong ko lang sa inyo. Nakita namin lahat ang galing nyo, walang question. Pero ang balita namin, pagkatapos ng Pilipinas Got Talent, medyo magre-relax muna kayo, maglalaylo muna kayo sa pagsasayaw. Bakit naman?
Kasi po if ever po na hindi po kami makapasok sa finals po, ipupursue na po namin yung mga profession namin. Pero pag makapasok kami, go for our talent. Thank you po.
Talent talaga yung pinag-uusapan and you've got the talent. Bawa kami ni Luluboy sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po.
Pangarap namin ni Luluboy sumayaw ng ganyan together.
Thank you po.
Well, why don't we go with our judges, Sir FMG?
Your performance is simply amazing, no? The teamwork is fantastic. It's flawless. The dance step is really in sync. And it's a pleasure watching you dance.
Thank you po, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Mistress.
That
That is how you make an entrance.
Correct.
Unforgettable yung pagpasok. Unforgettable yung paghubad sa kanya. I love it. Ang ganda talaga.
Thank you po.
At ito
Thank you po,
yun.
Miss Grace.
This number is as close to perfection as we'll ever see on this stage.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Miss Grace.
Close to perfect.
Eto na, nako. Ito ang totoong bakulaw na performance.
Thank you po.
Semi-finals na performance. At ang mukha mo talaga, bumilib ako dahil naging square ang bunganga mo. Naloka ako sa performance. Talagang mas flawless pa sa akin ang performance nyo tonight. Bakulaw na bakulaw.
Thank you
Go!
po. Thank you po.
Grabe, grabe, grabe.
Wait lang, meron siya
Ay, oo, may pa-plug ako. Naku, matutuwa sa'yo ang mga
Malulusot na yan.
taga-Amerika. Sa July 2, nandun kami sa San Diego, California. July 3 sa Reno, Nevada, Grand Sierra Resort Casino. And July 8 sa St. Lawrence Center for Arts, Toronto, Canada. For more details, please log on at www.starmediaentertainment.com. Matutuwa sa'yo sila.
Correct.
Matutuwa sila.
Unstoppable. Mga kapamilya, if you want them to make it all the way to the grand finals, just remember PGT space Neil Beth. Again, that's PGT space Nielbeth. Neil Beth, ako, dapat lumaban rin kayo internationally. Paglaban nyo ang Pilipinas. Grand finals na to! Grand finals na sa aming pagbabalik! Meron din magbabalik sa ating
Thank you
PGT
po sa last
semifinals.
one.
That's right. Ang Kapitamo Band from Atimonan, Quezon up next. Dito pa rin sa Pilipinas Got Talent.